Title: Generosity, the gift of kindness. Meaning: today, we're exploring the word generosity. Generosity is a virtue that involves a willingness to give or share with others, often without expecting anything in return. It's a powerful expression of kindness and compassion. Pronunciation: pronouncing generosity is simple. Generosity, with a soft G and a long E. Use in a sentence. For example, the generosity of the community was evident as they came together to support those in need during the difficult times. Importance: generosity is a fundamental quality that brings people closer, strengthens communities, and makes the world a better place. It's an essential part of fostering goodwill and positive relationships. Conclusion: in summary, generosity is a word that represents the beauty of giving and the kindness that connects people. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, practice generosity and make the world a little brighter with your acts of kindness.